Okay.
Hello. I'm Stanley. So today I'm gonna talk about my house. This is the living room.
Oh.
The kitchen is.
Wait.
Yeah, this is the living room,
Okay.
and the kitchen is right there. As you can see, brother John. He's my brother. So, just come with me. I'm gonna show you something else. Alright. This is the bathroom with laundries, closet, and come with me. This is the bedroom, as you can see it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going with you downstairs. Yeah. This is the downstairs. Have a little library in it. You know, it's amazing.
We call this part right here the family room.
Yeah, family room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Shall we go upstairs?
Yeah, please. Yeah. I'll show you something. I'll show you something else.
I left a mess upstairs. Oh well.
Alright. Yeah. Come
Okay.
with me upstairs.
Upstairs we go.
Yeah.
Turn some lights on, would you, Stanley?
Alright.
You look like you have sore knees. Okay, what's in there, Stanley?
Oh, this is a bathroom too.
Oh, let's turn the light on so we can see it's a bathroom.
Alright.
It's on the other side.
Okay.
Okay, bathroom. There we go.
Yeah.
And here we have two rooms across from each other.
Yeah.
What are they?
So, look at this room right there.
Oh, this looks
I
like
really
a
I really like
bedroom.
This like the way the sun just come out.
It is a very light room. I like that too.
And you have a beautiful view right there too. Yeah.
And these are
The closet.
a closet
Yeah.
full of Christmas stuff.
Yeah. As you can see, this is the closet.
Okie doke.
Yeah.
That's
Come
very
with me.
good.
And,